what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over all of these stones, and I'm going to use different colours. I'm going to use these three colours, I think, to start off with. I'm going to use white, grey, mixture of all of them, ivory, and pink. I shan't use that pink, I shall use this one. This is the one I... Let me just do a few here to show you the kind of thing and how we're going to be able to reproduce the... I'll just do these. Put ivory in there. A little bit of grey. I wouldn't be fussy at the moment. Wait until you get to the stronger colours. Now these in here can be have a little bit of blue added to them. This is 157. And you can even put some blue on these too. What a mess, folks. Well, you've seen me do this before a few times. Now a little bit of grey. This is 233 grey. And it's a little more pink, a bit more pink. And then the colour shaper. Colour shaper I'd use, I think, would be the grey pointed one, if you've got it. Now, what we're going to do now is pick some of the light and dark out. Now this is, you start off here, make that one darker behind it. But of course what you're doing is putting the forward stones on as well. And shading. And some of these I'm going to make pretty dark. Now you see how I'm now going over all of the stones and rocks and making them make sense. You can use, I probably would resist the use of black until you get to the point where you really do need to make something quite dark. See that one there, just get a bit of a shape to that. By the time we do finish all of it, folks, you'll be quite good at this. Nothing to stop you from adding colours and as you feel fit. Do I want any more tone? Well, see, I like the things you see like that would be quite nice as a shadow. And then you can use the side of the pencil just to put some texture in. Anyway, I think I've given you enough information there for you to have a crack at this yourself. And where you want to put a bit of light on the top of the book, you can do that with your sharp white. Like that.